Hey tech lovers, if you're like me, you know how crucial microSD cards are for expanding storage on your devices, whether it's for your smartphone, camera, or gaming console. Today I've got something exciting for you, our countdown of the top 5 best microSD cards. All the product links are in the description below, and don't forget to visit techdie.com for more tech reviews and comparisons. Stick around because you won't want to miss our top pick. Welcome back, everyone. I'm so pumped to share today's list because I know how frustrating it can be to run out of storage space just when you need it the most. In this video, we'll dive into the best microSD cards out there, covering everything from storage capacity and transfer speeds to durability. Whether you're a professional photographer, a gamer, or just someone who loves keeping all their media on hand, there's something here for you. Number 5. Kicking off our list is the Amazon Basics MicroSDXC memory card with full-size adapter. This one's a gem for those looking for reliability without breaking the bank. Its 128 GB capacity is perfect for high-resolution photos and full HD/4K videos with read speeds up to 100 MB/s and write speeds up to 60 MB/s. You get smooth and fast performance, especially handy for smartphones and action cameras. The card is also shockproof and waterproof, making it a solid choice for adventurous souls. At just $11.99, it's a steal given its durability and speed. If you're on a budget but still want something that performs well in various conditions, this Amazon Basics card won't disappoint. Number 4. Next up, we have the SanDisk 256 GB Ultra Micro SDXC UHSI memory card with adapter. This card boasts up to 150 MB/s transfer speeds, letting you move up to 1,000 photos per minute. Imagine that. It's fantastic for Android users since it's optimized to load apps faster with A1 rated performance. The Class 10 for full HD video recording and playback ensures smooth and clear video storage. Priced at $19.99, down from $25.99. It's a great value for anyone needing extra space for media files and apps. If you're constantly running out of room on your smartphone, this card provides ample space and speed for all your needs. Number 3. Now let's talk about something a bit more extreme, the SanDisk 128 GB Extreme MicroSDXC UHSI memory card. This card is built for speed, with read speeds up to 190 MB/s and write speeds up to 90 MB/s. It's excellent for 4K and 5K UHD video recording, making it ideal for action cameras and drones. Plus, it's affordable at just $16.49, discounted from $21.49. With its high-performance specs, this card stands out if you need something fast and reliable for high-dissolution content. If you're into capturing high-speed adventures or need a card that won't lag during critical moments, this SanDisk Extreme card is your go-to. Number 2. Moving up, we have the SanDisk 512 GB Ultra Micro SDXC UHSI memory card with adapter. This card is a beast when it comes to storage capacity, allowing you to store even more hours of full HD video. With up to 150 MB/s transfer speeds, it's quick and efficient, perfect for transferring large files in no time. The A1 rated performance means your apps will load faster, making it a great option for Android smartphones and tablets. Currently priced at $37.99, down from $45.99, it's a fantastic deal for anyone looking to maximize their device's storage. If you need a large capacity for storing tons of photos, videos, and apps, this SanDisk card is hard to beat. Number 1. Drumroll please, our top pick is the Amazon Basics 512 GB Micro SDX card with reader adapter. This card is all about versatility and performance. With a whopping 512 GB capacity, it's compatible with almost any device you can think of: smartphones, cameras, laptops, gaming consoles, you name it. The read speed goes up to 200 MB/s and the write speed up to 150 MB/s, making it perfect for recording and storing full HD/4K/5K videos. It's also built tough with shockproof, waterproof, and temperature-proof features. At $69.35, it's a bit pricier, but the performance and durability justify every penny. If you want the best of the best for any device, this Amazon Basics card is the ultimate choice. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. I hope this countdown helped you find the perfect microSD card for your needs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more reviews on TechSideVice.com. All the product links are in the description below, so be sure to check them out and grab the one that suits you best. Until next time, happy tech shopping!